about it. I'll get it there for you.
Come in! Join the room, wall to wall. Come on in, move in. Everyone in the back, move up, join wall to wall. Welcome. Let me tell you a tale of my creator, the puppet master. Many years ago, the puppet master wanted to create a perfect toy. He tried everything, from stuffed animals, to marionettes, to walking dolls. But nothing was good enough. Wood broke, metal bent, string snapped. Until we found the missing piece. Do you know what that was? It's you! For what is more perfect than the human form? So if you wish to enter the world of the puppet master, you must follow these rules. There'll be no eating, drinking, smoking, using your cell phones or flashlights. Above all else, do not touch the puppet master's creations, and they will not touch you. If you anger the puppet master in any way, you might find that you will be his next creation. Now enter the puppet master's world if you dare.
This way, everybody, to the puppet master.
Quickly now! You don't want to go the puppet master!
You have waited. Very bad.
Get a load of this guy.
Hi. Oh no. Oh! Oh my God. You okay, man? No? Okay, thanks. Oh! What the fucking... Oh my God, have mercy!
It's you! That's what it's gonna be!
Okay, thank you! Ah! Ah! No!
You won't do it!
Oh my fucking God, help me! Whoa, hey! Jesus Christ! Oh, what the fuck? Holy shit! Ah! Motherfucker! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! What the hell? Oh! Oh! The hell is this shit? No, I'm good, thanks. Oh, God! Ah. Oh, what the hell? Oh no. I don't think I'm gonna like this. Oh! Oh yeah, thanks for telling me. Oh! Oh no. Fine. Oh, hell no. Oh, no. Oh, hell no. Tammy? What?
You have the tickets.
No, I don't.
Get back up on that stage! Show's not over yet!
Oh, shit. Oh, my gosh.